Comrade, welcome to ROAPE.net. Can I quickly have your name and what organisation and affiliation you have?
My name is Comrade Adejobi Peter, popularly called PK. I'm the organizing secretary of the Socialist Workers and Youth League, Abuja, Nigeria. I'm involved in organizing comrades into the movement and training of workers in the need for them to be grounded, consciousness, raise their consciousness, let them have clarity of ideology for their emancipation.
Brilliant. And you've mentioned something to me about your work in the Labour Party. Can you talk a little bit about the size of the Labour Party, its significance in Labour struggles across Nigeria?
Yeah, the need for Labour Party in Nigeria was born out of the fact that workers cannot continue with strike because, like the slogan of the Nigerian Labour Congress, Labour creates wealth. And this wealth created by the workers, they are not benefiting from it. They are always agonizing. So instead of agonizing, let us organize and have a party. That was why we have the Labour Party, so that we can change the government through the ballot. And the Labour Party cuts across all the states of the Federation. There is no election in Nigeria that Labour Party doesn't win. The worst of, at least the last election, we have a Senate, and at a point in time, we have a governor. So the Labour Party have been doing very well, cuts across states in Nigeria. But only that of recent, there is a crisis within the party, and that leads to factions in the party. But now the Nigerian Labour Congress have taken it upon themselves to see that the party, all the crises are settled, and the party come together as one, and they are in the process.
Brilliant. And you've now spent 2 days at this ROAPE workshop on radical economic transformation. Why? What have you taken away from it? Why is it useful? What's significant about the workshop for you?
Yeah, I believe that the workshop is apt at this particular time, that the capitalism is claiming to have conquered socialism. At least it's obvious that no, we are still standing, and the fact is that we are uniting. We have a common front, and based on interaction across Africa, we know we have a common problem, and there's need for us to come together, because capitalism that we're talking about is an international phenomenon. So to address it, we also must come together and address it internationally, and that is the why ROAPE is apt at this particular time. And looking at financialization, globalization, and what is happening now, and I believe there is a lot we have taken away from this, and which we are going to impact on our comrades when we get back home.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much, Comrade, for joining ROAPE.net.
Thank you very much.